people, so I'm back with another video, but in this video, I want to talk about Capital One. Okay, Capital One credit card. So if you guys had Capital One and you messed up with them, I want to show you hope on the other side of the road. And then too, Midland Credit Management. If that's a collection company, a lot of times Capital One like to sell to Midland Credit Management. I want to show you guys how we actually got these accounts deleted from the client's credit reports and how you don't have to worry so much about it. So let's get right on into it. So let me pull up the account. So this is the results here where we got the account for Midland Credit Management deleted from the credit reports. Now, Capital One was not on the credit report, so we didn't have to worry about getting them deleted. What we had to worry about getting deleted was actually this account here. So let's look here. Where is it at? It's right here, Midland Funding. So this is the account here. It was a collection. We got it deleted March 19th of 2020. So here's the collection here. It was on the Experian credit report and then the TransUnion credit report. And you can see too, Experian credit status and TransUnion. So we was able to get that account deleted. The client even had a repossession here. Who was that repossession with? Summit Credit Union. So yeah, these are all of the accounts we got deleted for the client. It actually, all these accounts were deleted March 19th, so that's really good. But all these accounts were deleted, and these are the results that we have for them. Now, if you have any of these accounts, then if we got them deleted for this client, then most likely we can help you get them deleted for yours too. But let me pull up too. Let me see if I can pull it up, if it want to let me pull it up. Okay, here we go here. So let's look here at this account. Let me close this out so you guys can see. So this is the letter that the client got from Capital One. They got it back in 2019, right? So Capital One is basically saying that, hey, we sold the account to Midland Credit Management. They now own your account. We sold it to them. The client owed $2,000 to Capital One. Capital One charged it off, and they sold it to Midland Credit Management. Now, when a client came to us, we had to remove this account from their credit reports. So when it came down to removing the account from the credit reports, we just went through the credit bureaus. We worked on getting the account removed. So when we was working on getting the account removed, Midland Credit Management, they had a copy of this letter. This is all they probably got in their records. They had a copy of this letter. They sent that, and they sent the letter from Midland Credit Management basically saying, hey, everything seems correct. If you see something else incorrect on your credit reports, let us know. Here's a copy of the bill, and it's still not paid. So they think that this is good enough as proof, basically saying that everything is correct and the accounts should stay on the credit reports. But guess what? I seen this in the records, and I was like, let me make a video about this because this is the scare tactics. You'll be thinking, man, this account won't stay on my credit reports. There's nothing I can do. But if you've seen, too, that account got removed from the credit reports. So do not be scared. Midland Credit Management, they send this to the client, and they let them know that, hey, we're not going to delete the account from the credit report. So this is the results, too. They said, if you believe it's an error, then let us know. But then, too, they also sent this letter after the fact, too. They say, in addition, we concluded that we are not currently reporting your account to the credit reporting agencies. Yeah, you're not reporting it anymore because we got it deleted. Now they want you to send in proof now so that they can have a reason to put it back on the credit reports because they don't have any proof. No, we're not going to send you proof, so don't get scared about letters like this. They want us to send them proof so that they can go ahead and put the account back on the credit reports. The account is off the credit reports. We're not going to send them proof. We're going to just leave it alone. And remember, you guys, everything is different when it comes down to removing accounts from your credit reports. Different companies will just remove it. You don't have to worry about anything. They won't send you letters. But it's companies like this that's mad because they pay. Well, it's $2,000 per account. They didn't pay $2,000, but they trying to make $2,000 by getting that money back in terms of they can get the full amount of what the client owed to Capital One Bank. So they're trying to get you to send in proof so that they can get this account back onto the credit report. So don't worry about sending in proof. The account was removed from the credit reports. And again, too, everybody's situation is different when it comes down to these different accounts. So if you guys have any questions about this, just definitely let me know. And let me point out something else, too, when it comes down to this account. Let me see if I can pull it up again. Code, client results. Okay, here we go. So let's look here. If you look closely, let me zoom in so you don't got to look that close. So let's look here. Remember, Capital One Bank was the original company that you owe, and they actually sold it to the new company. And the new company was the Midland Credit Management. So when it comes down to different accounts, Credit One Bank is an original creditor too. It's a charge-off. But if you look down here, where is that account? LVMV Funding. That's who Credit One Bank like to sell it to a lot. It's a collection. Credit One Bank sold it to LVMV Funding, but we was able to get both of them deleted from the credit reports. Now, Credit One Bank is here. It was on all three credit reports, and all three of them actually was able to get deleted. So let's see what else. LVMV Funding. LVMV Funding was showing only on the TransUnion credit reports, and we got it deleted. So that's good. So if you ever have like any of these accounts on your credit reports, don't worry. If we got it deleted before, we can get it deleted again. So let me know if you guys have any questions for me. Again, this video is just to show you that Capital One Bank like to sell it to Midland Credit Management, and we actually took care of that with a client where we got the Midland Credit Management deleted from the credit reports. And to show you too that Credit One Bank does the same thing. They charge it off, and they sell it to the new company, which is LVMV Funding. But as you see here, we got it deleted. LVMV Funding only put it on one credit report. They only put it on the TransUnion. They don't even have it on all three. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm definitely here to answer any questions that you guys may have. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then subscribe to our Facebook. So like my Facebook right here, I got 61,000 people that like my Facebook. But my YouTube is lagging behind because I just got it started on it. I focus so much on Facebook and no other platform. But I really want to get more people on YouTube. So let me know if this video was useful to you. And then let me know if you have any questions for me to make a video about, please let me know. I also have two playlists here for you too. So I have a video that I think that you may be interested in. So go ahead and check that video out. And then I also have another video of different videos. Actually, I have another playlist of different videos that I think you may find very interesting. So please go ahead and check that out. And don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.